As the leading final expense insurance company in the nation, we have been family-owned and operated for over 55 years, offering peace of mind to millions of Americans looking to protect their loved ones from funeral costs. Our unique founding and our commitment to agents and policyholders alike has helped us become the leader in this important industry. Let's take a look at how Lincoln Heritage got started. Lincoln Heritage has been family-owned and operated since 1963. Our founder, Jack London, was the only salesman, and his wife, Dodie London, was the home office staff, a true mom-and-pop operation. Jack's sons would often help Dodie by typing the first commission and claim checks. Following in his father's footsteps, Tom London joined the family business and sold life insurance just like his father. Under their leadership, Lincoln Heritage was taken to new heights and became the nation's leading provider of agent-produced final expense insurance.
When this company was set up with Jack and Tom in leadership, they really cared about the families they served. I'll never forget Jack London standing up at a convention telling me and everyone in the room what made Lincoln Heritage special was the fact that they paid claims faster and better than any other company in the world.
He had seen too much from the company that he sold for of poor service on so many fronts. And he was just a crusader for establishing a company that would be agent-centric and treat policyholders as royalty. And that legend lives on today.
The values that Jack and Tom London used to found Lincoln Heritage have allowed us to be the leader in final expense insurance for many years. We choose to do business differently because our values keep our customers at the forefront of every decision we make.
The foundations that Tom and Jack laid as far as being agent-focused, keeping your promises, looking for ways to say yes to people, giving people an opportunity to be successful, that's what's driven us to 150 million. And those foundations don't change. Those principles don't change. They were true over 50 years ago when Jack started the company. They're true today. They'll be true 50 years from now.
And it's remarkable because they know what it is to be an insurance agent. They know exactly what it is that we do on a daily basis. They knew exactly what it was that we were doing, and they structured this company around that. And it's like the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't know if anybody could have done it better.
We know our sole reason for existence is to pay claims, so we make sure we pay them as quickly as possible. Thousands of agents take pride knowing their hard work serves families in their communities. And more than 1 million policyholders depend on Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company to be by their side in their time of need.
They realized that a $7,000 funeral would be devastating to them financially. They'd have no way of paying for that. We try to get people to understand it's not just about selling $150 million a year. It's how many families are we helping each year. We're helping close to 250,000 families every single year. It's more than just a check that we're giving these people. It's the peace of mind. It's one less thing for them to worry about. They got a ton of things to worry about at the worst time of their lives. And one thing they don't have to worry about is how am I paying for all this? We know that we help people at Lincoln because we get letters from people all the time, and we started publishing those in our newsletter of families that were so touched, not just by the check that we sent, but by the letter that we sent that told them that we cared about them and we hoped that this helped them out and that they were in our thoughts and in our prayers. And life insurance companies don't do that.
That was one headache I didn't have to do because I was worrying about my mom. My mom had just passed. Why go through all of the extra bureaucracy of going through the insurance policy? And I've told people at work, I said, if you get insurance, you go to Lincoln Heritage.
Every day, thousands of our field representatives educate families on the local funeral industry and the various costs associated with final arrangements. Lincoln Heritage agents are proud of the work they do because they're helping people in their community plan for final expenses, and that's rewarding work.
Lincoln Heritage is one of the, again, few life insurance companies that I believe serves its clients, goes over the line, way past what's expected of a life insurance company in order to serve their clients and their insureds. As a matter of fact, they go so far to serve their insureds and to service their clients that they actually take the service past the death of the insured, where we actually assist the beneficiaries. We stand in the middle as a third party as a beneficiary advocate to make sure that the beneficiaries who are left with that process of handling the funeral arrangements are not making bad financial decisions during a time of grief. We don't offer anything else. All we do is offer one product. Because we focus 100% on that product, we have become masters at it.